Hello everyone, welcome back. So we're back again with another very short video tutorial. And in this video, we will be learning how we can create and customize Google Forms in our Windows 10 or Windows 11 devices. This is a step-by-step tutorial, so please do finish watching this video till the very end. The first thing we need to do is to open our Google browser or any browser that you have there in your device. So I'll be opening my Microsoft Edge. And then this time, once this is open, all you need to do is just to go to the Google homepage or Google search engine. So let me just type here in the URL section the google.com. Once you click on that, you will be in this Google homepage here. All you need to do is just to sign in your Google account. So if you have already signed in your Google account, all you need to do is just to click this icon here. You will see this icon. This is the Google app. So if you haven't already or if you haven't signed in your account, please do sign in and then click on this Google Apps option. Once you're in here, all you need to do is just to look for the Google form. So we will see all sorts of applications from Google here. Just scroll down. We will look for forms. This one, if you have found it, just please click on that. And then we have here an option to start a new form. We have the recent forms that I have just created. So here we have the blank form. Please click on the blank quiz. Or if you want to start, you can just also click on this blank form. So here we have the blank quiz. All we need to do is just to click this blanks here. You can click some parts and then you can add according to your preference. So we have here, we can put here the company name or the title of the form itself. So if you want this to be filled out with the personal informations of the individual that you want to answer this Google form, then you can also do that by just stating your company name or the title of this form. You can also add a description. Let me just type here ABC, and then we can also have a question here. You can also ask here what is your name or state your name. And then you can also have the uh, options for what answer you want to be added or you want to get. So you can also click this drop down button here to look for an answer or to choose for the option for an answer. You can have short answer, paragraph. You can also have multiple choice, check boxes, drop down. So since you're asking for a name, you can have the short answer, and the individual who will answer this Google form will just supply the answer that they have or answer that they want. And then you can also have this question required. So if you want this question to not be skipped, just click this required button here, and then the individual who will be answering this Google form will be obliged to answer this question. Now, once you're done with this one, you can also have these points here. Click this answer key, and then you can just have or add some points here, whether you have 1, 2, it's up to you. And then you can also have add answer feedback. Just click on that, and then you can enter your feedback here and then click on save. Once you're done with this one, just close this window, and then if you're done with this one, just click this add question here, and then you can add Gmail account if you want to ask for their Gmail. And then you can also have short answer, paragraph. You can just choose for the answer that you want to be or that you want to get from the individual, and then you can just click on this required here and then add another question. You can also try multiple choice. So if you want to question now or give a question now that is multiple choice, then you can just add also an option here. We can have yes or no, and then you can also have others. Okay, so if if you want to remove an option, you can just click this X button here. And once you're done with this one, just click on this publish. And then you'll have this publish form option. We have the responders. You can manage this anyone with link. You can just also copy the link. So by clicking this button here, we can copy responder link. We can also have share. You can also share this one. Before sharing it, you can also just customize the theme. If you want to customize the theme, you can also do that. You can change the text style. We have the header here, question, and text. We can also change the font style, font size. And then we can also choose an image for the header. So we can click on that, and then we can select the category. So if you want to work in school, we can scroll down here, and then we can look for the image that we want to be added. Just click on that, click on insert, and then it will be added in here in this section at the very top. And then you can also have the color. You can change the color, and for the background, you can also change the background color. Once you're done with this one, just close this window, and then you can also see here the preview. You can also add or share this to any other individuals. For the responses, you can send responses to a spreadsheet. So you can also change some settings here. You can also click this three dot icon here and then get email notifications for new responses. You can also select destination for responses. And for the settings, you can change settings here. You can make this quiz, assign point values, set answers, and automatically provide feedback. You can turn that on. And for the grades or the scores, you can give them immediately after each submission, or you can also choose later after manual review. You can also have the respondents will be notified for any missed questions, and you can turn that on. You can have the correct answer. So once the individual or the respondents are done answering, then they can see the correct answers for each question. You can also have that. Okay, so once you're done with this one, just click on publish, and then click on this publish button here, and then it will be published, and you can share this Google form with anyone that you like. Okay, so that's it. I hope you learned something from this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up, and of course subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I'll be seeing you again on the next one. Bye bye.